What is dropshipping in South Africa? Dropshipping in South Africa is a strategy of market delivery where a retailer does not hold the items in storage that it offers. Instead, when a store sells a product using the dropshipping approach, it orders the product from a third party and has it sent to the consumer directly. As a consequence, the vendor doesn't have to personally manage the items. The main contrast between dropshipping in South Africa and the traditional retail model is that no product is held or controlled by the sale retailer. Instead, to satisfy orders, the vendor purchases product if appropriate from a third party, typically a wholesaler or retailer. How does dropshipping work in South Africa? Two of the most popular dropshipping in South Africa approaches on Shopify are searching for a supplier in North America or anywhere else in the world, using supplier databases, or searching for a Shopify app that connects you and your store with thousands of suppliers. We suggest a Burlo in South Africa for the latter, a platform created by Shopify that lets individual company owners find goods to sell. With a Burlo, by clicking a button, you can search AliExpress and import the items that pique your attention directly to a Burlo, which is linked to your Shopify store. After a customer orders a product, the Burlo app would allow you to satisfy their order. A Burlo, happily, automates this operation. As the owner of the shop, all you have to do is verify that the information is right and press the order button. The item is then shipped to the consumer directly from the AliExpress seller, wherever they might be in the world. Why you need to start a dropshipping business in South Africa? It is easier to set up a dropshipping website in South Africa. You do not need thousands of money to order products and resell, since you do not have to buy any products. Customers buy through your website directly from suppliers. You can run a dropshipping business in South Africa from anywhere. How do dropshippers make money in South Africa? As merchandise curators in South Africa, dropshipping firms operate, choosing the best combination of goods to sell to consumers in South Africa. No, marketing is an expense that you pay, helping prospective consumers locate, analyze, and order the best thing, both in time and money. Whenever there is a purchase or shipment issue, you would still have to include the cost of delivering customer service. Third, but not least, is the initial price at which the commodity is offered by the retailer. Dropshipping business in South Africa. In preparation for distribution, dropshipping firms mark up individual goods with all of these expenses to pay for. This is why manufacturers are okay to make dropshippers sell their goods for them, driving extra revenue from dropshipping outlets that the retailer would otherwise have lost out on. It's a smart idea to figure out how much it costs for you to acquire a customer to make a profit for your dropshipping service, and sell your goods with that in mind. How to start a dropshipping business in South Africa or how to do dropshipping in South Africa. Choose a profitable dropshipping niche in South Africa. Find reliable dropship suppliers in South Africa. Choose a platform to dropship in South Africa. Best dropshipping suppliers in South Africa. Dropshipping companies in South Africa. And suppliers for dropshipping in South Africa. Computer wholesalers. Parcel Ninja Man's Republic distributors. Buy fast. The Sense Drop Store Mentality. Chinaburn's AliExpress. Does dropshipping work in South Africa? Yes, dropshipping in South Africa works. Is dropshipping profitable in South Africa? The brief response is yes, South Africa is lucrative for dropshipping. In fact, a dropshipping company is just like any other company that needs work to make it effective, both off and online. To make your South African dropshipping business successful, you also need excellent products. Is dropshipping legal in South Africa? Yes, dropshipping is a legal business in South Africa. Dropshippers in South Africa. Do you know any dropshippers in South Africa? Let me know in the comments below. Would like to become one? Feel free to contact me on WhatsApp +260,977,770,202. Please like, comment and share this video. Click the link in the description below to learn more.